Okay, this game is brought to you by PSPQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman siya dito po sa Kata. Kung sino po gusto pong mag-join po ng team po, just visit the page for details. PSPQ Basketball League. Ito po, liga naman sikat. Pinoy Stars Basketball here in Qatar. PSPQ Basketball League. Okay, game. Good morning, basketball fans. Also, happy Independence Day po sa bansang Pilipinas, sa ating bansang sinilangan. Ito po ang PSPQ Basketball League. We're here live right now sa the Pearling Season International School in Doha to witness again one game for tonight. Same game for tonight between Hook of Qatar in white and blue combination versus black Giannis Gumay-Tuyo. Ito na po tayo mga kabayan. Ito na si Meika, it's watching already. Ayan na, first customer po natin. Come on, come on. Okay, Kenny Quiñones is watching also. Ito na po, same game po tayo po. Giannis Gumay versus Hook of Qatar, white and white. This game is brought to you by our following sponsors, headed by ANC Kitchen, Maya's Kitchen, and many more. First bet po tayo, and also happy Independence Day po tayo sa ating bayan, Bayang Pilipinas. Independence Day po tayo yun, mga kabayan. Okay, ito na. Giannis Gumay in black, yung San Miguel motif, and versus Rising Knights in white and blue combination. Ayan si Pahardo, nandiyan din pala sa Hook of Qatar. Sir, saan dyan ka? Okay, ito na. Okay, Bondok versus Gagarin for the opening tip-off. Bondok versus Gagarin. Ay, Bulawan rather. The Golden Boy, Bulawan versus Gagarin. Oh. Okay, one by Batikin. Colina Palpal ni Bulawan. Shot block by Bulawan, the Golden Boy. Golden Boy Bulawan. Eto na, si Guban, almost lost the ball. Driving in, walang pinasahan. Nando si Bereros. Kick pass, nando si Bulawan. Ramos, nakuha ni Mr. Gagarin. Batikin, side step move. Lost the ball. Same ball. Arvin Sawalan is watching also. Si Mark Michael, Coronation Tira is watching. Ellen Parascal is watching at marami pang iba. Ito po ang PSPQ Basketball League. Live po tayo ngayon sa The Pearling Season International School in Doha. Bereros for 3, pasok ang bola. Bereros for 3, tapos. Guban, it's Guban driving. Guban, Nando. Pinataan si Ramos to Guban. Pinapadilsuran. Nakalusot. Okay, si Bulawan. Guban for 3. No. 0-3. Gagarin, nope. Bereros, pass broken by Bereros. Nice deep. Pass broken by Bereros. Guban for 3. Nope, tapos po rin. Kulina. Nakuha ni Bulawan ang bola. Bulawan driving. 2 points. Bulawan. The Golden Boy, Bulawan, naka 2 points. And Batikin, Duran number 1. Pops up, nope. Eto na, si Mr. Guban versus Bereros. Nakawala. Driving, side step, Bulawan. Nope, not side 1. RD1, nakalusot. RD1 to Guerreros. RD1! 2 points, RD1. 2 points, RD1. Chichirita naka-rebound. And now to Bulawan. Ramos for 3, no? Rebound to Guerreros. Against Pardo, check ni Pardo. To Duran number 1. Duran 1. Colina. Wala. Ayun, si Batikind. Pasok. 5 kalamangan, 5. Stop from behind. And to Guerreros. Guerreros driving. Gagarin. Sidestep, nope. And it's Colina. Nope. Okay, touch last by Pajardo. Timeout called. Janice Gumitio called for the timeout. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. We'd like to thank the timeout. We're brought to you by, of course, Imprint Advertising. We turn your dreams into absolute reality. Imprint Advertising. And also, nandiyan din po ang Avens Travels and Tours. For your travel needs, come to Avens Travels and Tours. We offer neat packages for your vacation needs. Avens Travels and Tours. Okay, game. Pajardo. Touches by Pajardo. Patikin. Guerreros. Colina. Patikin driving. Patikin pops up. Nope. Colina for the rebound. Patikin na naman. Patikin 2 points. 2 points Patikin. Touch last by Duran. Yan si Ivan, nandiyan na rin. Guban, nakawala ang bola. Touch last by Gagarin. Same ball. Same ball pa rin. Chirita, wala. Chirita, nako, pass the ball. Patigin. Corina, Duran. And 3-second violation. Ayan na. Lost the ball. Balik mo muli sa Janice Gumang bola. Inbound po si Colina to Batikin. Batikin may tangan ng bola to Gagarin to Batikin. Gagarin to Batikin driving. Nando si Duran number 1. No. Nando si Colina. Wala pa rin. Nando si Colina muli. Wala pa rin. Nando si Pardo, clear the boards. Pardo. Okay, so foul committed to take 2. This free throw will be brought to you by, of course, FJ Engineering. And also, Janice Gumitio. Yan po Janice Gumitio. Available in Team 2 flavors, Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo, Janice Gumitio. Okay, Janice Gumitio. Guban for 2. First shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Umuwi na. Second throw, jumpers ready para kay Guban. Wala. Diribon ni De La Cruz, ni Greg De La Cruz, nakaribang. Greg again. To Brian Oy. Nope, it's Pesarillo. Wala ang bola. Guban. Christian Gray. Bongolo pops up. Wala. Rebound ulit. Greg De La Cruz. Pesarillo. 2 points, Pesarillo. Okay, change 5 po tayo. Substitution. Bonggolo, Bulawan, double team committed, backing violation. Backing violation committed by Bulawan, the Golden Boy. Bayran for the inbound. Pesarillo. Pesarillo muli. Rebound di Bulawan. Bulawan. Kisha Gray. 2 points Kisha Gray. Kisha Gray 2 points. Bayran. De La Cruz. Wala. Tumama sa back ring. Same ball. Bulawan for the rebound, inbound. The Golden Boy Bulawan for the inbound. By Marat, number 22, Mara. Ulpino. Bonggolo pops up. No. Bayran driving. Bayran, Barnoy. No. Rebound di De Leon. Giba di Mamaw pala, si Mamaw pala, Mamaw. Barnoy. Nandun, sayang. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. De La Cruz driving. Nice one sana. Bulawan nagmamadali. Bulawan. Pasok. No. Si Dimac pala yan, Little Dimac. Okay. Pesarillo. Wala pa rin. De La Cruz. Pasok ang bola. Swak. Greg De La Cruz, 2 points. Mara, Dimac, Little Dimac, pops up, 2 points. 2 points, Little Dimac. Dalawa si Dimo ko na, malaking Dimo ko na. Little Dimac. Bayran driving. No. Kickball. Same ball po tayo. Barnoy for the inbound. De La Cruz, Pesarillo. Bayran for 3, for 2. No. Nandun si Bonggolo. Kisha Gray. Manakas. Pesarillo, fadeaway shot. Nope. Rebound di De Leon, ni Mamaw. Traveling violation call. Mamaw, stalwart po yun ng Marawi City in Pesarillo, stole the ball. Bayran, and nakuha. Foul, Little Dimac. Foul, Little Dimac. Bayran, inbounding kay Pesarillo. Bayran, pops up. Nope. Rebound di Kisha Gray. Dimac. Little Dimac. Dimac for 3, offline. Still completed. Held ball situation.
Drop ball. Rising next ball.
Rising next ball.
Rising next ball. 43 seconds.
Ulpino. Dima.
43.
Pagpal! Bonggolo! Naku! Rebound! What a rebound by Mamaw! Held ball situation. Okay. Okay. Janus ball naman. Janus ball naman.
22 seconds.
Nice rebound ni Mr. Mamaw. Mamaw for the rebound.
22 seconds.
20 seconds remaining. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Mamaw pops up. Wala. Bonggolo naka-rebound. And that's it.
And the first quarter.
First quarter action kalas. Second quarter action coming up. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Any teams who want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sikat dito sa Qatar. Game.
That's ready for the second quarter. Rising next ball.
Rising next ball. Okay, our night's ball. Si Guban for the inbound. Guban for the inbound. Guban to Krisha Gray. Krisha Gray. Guban. Nakuha ng pick. Nope, ayaw gamitin pick. Pahardo almost got the ball. Walong po ka na mga po ng Janus Gumitio. Patikin. Offline. Kairan. Malakas. Patikin. 2 points. 2 points Patikin. Kanina, congratulations po pala for Racing winning the game. First game over DJ Giana. Nakuha ba? Nakuha si Guban. Sinita. Krisha Gray. Ah! Ano ba yan? 2 points again Patikin. Pops up. No, one more time. Krisha Gray. Binali pa. Okay, last ball. Last touch si Krisha Gray. Balik pumuli sa Janus kami ang bola. Janus ball pumuli tayo. Janus ball. Janus ball na Patikin. May tayo ng bola. To Bereros. Pops up si Rosario. Pasok ang bola. 7:22 ang lamang na po. 15, laman na po ng 15 ang Janus Gumitio. Bupa for 3. Bang! Sinagupa ko ng bola. Okay, 12 lamang po nilang ano, 12. It's 10:22. Mercader! 2 points Mercader.
Rebound Bulacan.
Chirita. Chrissy Gray. Nope. Batikin. Nice one by Pajardo. Nakuha ni Batikin ang bola. Mercader. Paypal. Bernat Sibereros.
Bulacan.
16-point lead Kalamangan. Ruben again. No. Nancy Pardo driving. Pardo silalim, pasok bola.
Rosario.
No. Chichirita. Walang pinasahan si Chichirita. Breros. No. Chichirita for the rebound. Again, si Guban. 4-on-2 situation. Okay, 2 points. Batikin. Nakadalo na si Batikin. 2 points Batikin. Ayan na si Mr. Chrissy Gray. Stripped away. Time out. Rising Knights. This is your PSB Basketball League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. ANC Kitchen, Bias Kitchen, MC Cargo, safe at sigurado, MC Busisin, latte sigurado, HB Kicks, Patay Sublimation by Ziranyada, kaya na Ziranyada, McDonald's Qatar, and many more. Okay, Guban for the inbound. Chrissy Gray, 2 points. Okay, 14 lang Kalamangan po ng Janice May. Batikin to Mercader, to Rosario. No. Mercader for 3. Wala pa rin. Chrissy Gray. Driving. Nawala ang bola. Mercader. Pesarillo. Rosario, 2 points. Change player po tayo. Change player. Bulawan to Dimac to Bongolo driving. Nice one by Bongolo. 2 points. Duran. Brano for 3. Wala. Bulawan. Nakuha ang bola ni Bulawan. Bulawan driving. Bulawan. Nakasabit. Gagarin. First personal foul ni Gagarin, the big man.
2 free throw,
Bulawan, 2 free throws po. First shot ni Bulawan. Labas. This free is brought by Tiptoe Kicks by Brian Uy. Quality shoes at mag-uusap at star. Yan po ang po ng Tiptoe Kicks. To order, just visit their page for details. Tiptoe Kicks by Brian Uy. Basket mate, 7:30. 17:30, laban po 13 Kalamangan. Duran. De La Cruz, Brian Uy. Gagarin, Brian Uy. Gagarin. No. Nando si Pardo. Pardo nagmamadali. Pardo, no. Kulina, ako naman si Kulina. Nakuha. Wala na. Steffi. Brian Uy. De La Cruz. Pasok. Pumasok. Nawala ang bola, sayang. Medyo kulang sila sa kan. Duran, 2 points. Duran. RD1, 2 points. 17 point dito po kalamangan po ng Janice Gumituyo. D-Mac, Little D-Mac. Bulawan. Nice one by Pardo. Duran driving. De La Cruz. Nope. Ayan si D-Mac. D-Mac Ulangan. The D-Mac man. D-Mac for 3. Bang! Sige, laban lang. 12. Brian Uy versus Bulawan. And touch last by Brian Uy. Janice ball. Brian Uy. RD1. Gagarin. Brian Uy pops up for 3. Wala. Ayun si Pardo. Bulawan nagmamadali. Bulawan. Ginamit Brian Uy. Hindi mo kulangan. 14. Offline. Galit pa siya. Okay, balik tayo. Eto na. RD1. Brian Uy for 3. Wala. And pushing foul. Gagarin.
Pushing foul number 9, Gagarin. Second personal foul.
Gagarin, second personal foul. D-Mac driving. Ay, let's out.
This foul number 1. Second personal foul. Third big foul. Dallas. D-Mac. Driving.
Nandun si Bongolo. Malakas. Fernandino. Bongo, pinaka ng foul. De La Cruz, number 3 go for a foul. This street is brought to you by JPX TV. JPX lang ang sakalam. Apparel po yan. Tsaka basketball news po. First shot ni Bongolo, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready ni Bongolo.
Go!
Yes! Labas. Pops up. No, Bongolo for the rebound. And lost the ball. Strange but true.
2 minutes and 5 seconds.
2 minutes, 5 seconds remaining. Duran. Ayun si Kulina. 2 points, Kulina. Napaka-sweet yung shot na yan. D-Mac nakalusot. Tapos. Rebound. Ni De La Cruz to Brian Uy. Duran number 1. Nando si Quiñones. Wala pinasama naman. Hoy, di ako kasama rito. Ano ba kayo? Okay, De La Cruz. Greg De La Cruz. Brian Uy. Ayun si Duran. Nice si Gagarin. Pops up. Nope. Ayun si Kulina. Ang lalim. Still completed. Di Makulangan. Oh! Bulawan. 2 points. Bulawan. Brian Roy. De La Cruz. 2 points. De La Cruz. A minute remaining. Bongolo. 13 kalamangan. Bongolo. Dimac. Dito Dimac. Dimac. 2 points Dimac. Nice shot by Dito Dimac. RD1. Kulina. And traveling violation called. Again, if you want to travel, come to world, explore the world with us. That's what we offer. Evans Travels and Tours. You offer neat packages for your own vacation needs. Yan po yan ang Evans Travels and Tours. Available po yan in Mansura area, in Almira, Mansura, and also, alam natin po yan sa, ano yan, sa Chiquis Restaurant area. Sa Mansura yan. Okay, pumapasok na. Nabuhay. De La Cruz. Okay, take 2 po si De La Cruz. This free throw is brought to you by Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. That's Winax Apparel. Don't get out from your house without wearing it. Winax Apparel. De La Cruz for 2. First shot. First shot ni De La Cruz. Pasok. And also, Plus International Trading, quality juices and candies and many more. 100 po yan ang Plus International Trading. Available po yan in select branches in Doha. Okay, that's it. 4 seconds. Bulawan. Sayang. Okay, after 2 quarters, ang laman po is 30-40. Laman po ang Giannis Gumitiyo ng 10. We'll be back po tayo po sa third quarter basketball action. This is your, of course, PSBQ Basketball League.
na sila. Ay, ba't ganon? Ba't ganon? Hi, Gabriel. Shout out.
I can't believe you disrespectful men out here. Just staring at your bodies, objectifying y'all. Listen, I'm Jamal, and I just want to let y'all know.
Ba't ka may gupit? Teka lang, teka sa
Not your sexual Ladies, hey, I see what y'all doing. Cut it out, it ain't nice. Oh, y'all should have said something earlier. I like these freaks.
She trying to tell right now, you know, right? No.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm ready. No, look. Yeah, I'm ready.
Gusto ko lang i-shoutout yung mga nagbababuhan nating referee. Ayan, picture taking sila, oh. Tingin kayo dito, tingin kayo dito. Ang gagwapo. Ayan. Guys, yung inaabangan ko dito guys, yung referee. Ayan. Kumusta kayo? Shout out Mark Anthony Lim. Sino kaya mananalo? Cook Up Qatar or yung Jana's Garment? Mercader! Galingan mo. Ayan. Pinasa ni Ivan. Depensa daw, sabi nitong kakabi ng Jana's. Nakuha ni Mercader. Ayan. Ang bilis tumakbo. Ayan. 2 points yung video.
On the 97, Nakadeh.
Imakulangan.
Bago mo takla, Juvenal. And shoot.
So, shout out po kay Eugene Manoy. Ayan. Hi, Rocky. Number 5, De Leon. Sinot 97. Mercader, nakuha ng Qatar. Ayan. Bakit itatry?
Juvenal.
Shout out kay Bok! Bok Calderon! Shout out! Si Zay po ito ng Qatar Sublimation Sportswear! Shout out kay Iowa Nation and Miss Irene! Ni-rebound ni Makulangan. Ayan. 3 point. Ay, sayang. Nakuha ni De Leon. Ayan, nakuha na kamuha ni Mateo Di Gutchele. Ayan, layup. 2 points. Mga supporter nila. So sa mga gusto pong mag-order ng team uniform, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear po, 50905673. Chat lang po kayo. Time out. Lamang yung Janas. Di Makulangan. Kasi Di Makulangan magaling to eh. So, nakuha ni Mercader, pinasa ni Mercader. Susubukan mag-shoot. No good. Ayan, ay sayang. Tinulungan ni De Leon, number 5. So, wala pa rin. 2 points. Jelong score is 35-50. Lamang ang Janas.
Substitution.
Toble. 1 point. Another 1 points. Galing kay Toble. Di Makulangan. Ang galing ni Di Makulangan.
This ball.
Ay, sa mga naghahanap po ng uniform, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear.
Ball number 1.
Shoutout kay Iowa Nation at Miss Arlene. Shoutout!
Pedro Mercader.
Pedros Mercader, wala sa isa.
Paharap. Nasir Isagay. Sumabat. Watapas kay Sugan.
Yes, shout out sa mga referee. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Traveling.
Substitution.
Substitution. Shoutout sa ating referee, Hans, ng HB Kicks.
What's the next call? Substitution. Pasok po.
Rebound. Naku, nagili yun.
Ball number 7.
Mercader. Pinasas kay number 5. Ayan.
Substitution. Free throw.
Ay,
Basket.
dili yun. Ayan. Hawak ng hop of Qatar ang bola. Ayan. Ayan, nakuha ni Dimakula. Ay, hindi. Number, ano ba to? Pinasa kay Dimakulangan. Oh, galing! Oh, galing nun ah! Galing ni Dimakulangan. Oh, idol! Idol na to si Dimakulangan.
And the shoes. Number 7.
So, shoutout po sa 1,500 na nanonood. Ayan.
And the shoes. So, number 4.
Hawak ni Di Makulangan na naman yung bola. So, di si Di Makulangan yung nagdadala ng game. Pass over agad si Di Makulangan. Shoutout kay Amada Manolo. Shoutout Amada. Ang galing maglaro nito ni Amada. Ayan. Shoutout from Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Ang sayang. Ah? Nasaan ba? Ayan, sa mga naghahanap po ng uniform ng pang-basketball, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear po. Ayan, Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Ayan. Sa gusto kumontak 50905-673. So, Abens, ano ba to? Travel and Tour. Ay, andito na yung ano. Andito na si Di Makulangan. Nagdadala ng bola. Ipinasa ni Ref Pogi. Sayang. Oh. Same ball. Hawak ni Duran ang bola. 3 points! 3 points! Duran!
Gusto mo ba ang Makulangan? Taas ko ba lang? Unawan sa Kutri. Diba?
Makulangan na naman. Hindi talaga siya makulangan. Ang galing ni Di Makulangan. Ayan, hawak ni Oy ang bola. Pinasa kay Mercader. Oops, nakuha ng up. So, shoutout kay McDonald's. Baka naman.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
Ayan.
Body foul, iba ulang. Pass to Bulawan.
Ayun, nakuha ni Mercader ang bola. Ayan, nag-aagawan sila. Ayan. Sayang. No good. Hi, Jomar. Shoutout. Shoutout kay Dimakulangan. Umuwi ka na daw, sabi ni Angie at maghugas ng plato. Wag naman. Patapusin po muna natin ang laro. Ayan, shoutout po sa HB Kicks. Ayan, ang owner po nito ang napakagwapong referee na si Hans. Mga gustong kumuha ng shoes. Ayan. HB Kicks. Shoes. Bumili ka na ng shoes kay HB Kick. Kay Hans. Ayan yung owners.
Personal foul.
Yes.
Pass to niya.
Siyang owners?
50-65.
Abesh.
Second foul Bulawan. Basket ulit.
Yan yun.
51-65.
So nadagdagan ng followers ang HB
Body
Kicks.
foul final.
Dahil napakagwapo ng owners. Original. Certified sa best. Ah! So, shoutout kay MC Cargo. Ay, sa mga gusto pong magpadala ng cargo. Qatar to Philippines. MC Cargo.
Substitution by Ramin Medina Hall. And on the ball, back to the middle, Castro Duran.
Duran.
Aliwa, back to the middle.
Pinasa kay Mercader. Pinasa kay number 6. Mercader. 2 points. Ayan. Good 2 points. Three points to run. Okay guys, balik na natin sa original.
Okay, thank you Miss Gira Nyada po for taking my place for the meantime. Salamat kay Miss Gira Nyada, palakang po natin siya. Okay. Thank you po. Okay, back to the ball game. Oy! Okay, time out of goal by Rising Knights. The score is 55-72. A 17-point lead been posted by Janus Gumituyo. Thank you po pala. Shoutout po pala sa mga si ST Socia. Shoutout sa mga referee. Good job daw. Mga rep, good job daw sa inyo. Sino pa? Si Hesuler. Yan, si Hesuler. Mahal po yan. Si Abeliana is watching also. Si Amir Ashraf is watching. Pares Lamang. STA Socia. Boss, ang score po. Ang score po natin po ay 55-72. Ang tanong po ni Leonard Alcantara.
Rising Knights Ball.
Okay, Rising Knights Ball po tayo nga. Rising Knights Ball.
Rising Knights Ball.
Rising Knights Ball po tayo. Rising Knights. Ball po tayo ng Rising Knights.
Rebound yung ball pa rin. Pakabay yung pinakalangan sa mga ball.
Uy!
Guerreros ng ball.
RD1. Nakuha. Pardo. Nakuha na Mamaw. Lumupas. Still completed. Mamaw. Rebound talaga. Again, stolen away. Sige, Mercader. No, Mamaw. No good. Mamaw muli. Mamaw is all the way. All the way, yeah? All the place. Okay, Chris Gray, labas muna. Bongolo in. Mamaw shooting for 2. This script is brought to you by, of course, salamat po sa ating pong kaibigan po kanina, si Miza Ranyada, and it's also Qatar Submarines Sports by Z Ranyada. All uniform for all kinds of shape and sizes. Ang po yan na Qatar Submarines Sports by Z Ranyada. Second shot ni Mr. Mamaw. Kapos and early entry siya. Labas. Balik muli. 55-72 at 5 minutes 48 seconds remaining. Good morning po and maligayang araw ng kasarilan po ng Pilipinas. Pilipinas kong mahal. Sa mandulo po naman to. Mahal po namin ang aming bansang Pilipinas. Pahardo, 2 points. Yes, sirree. 2 points Pahardo. And Pairan to Bereros and no, tapos. Oh, nice D by Bulawan. Substitution by now this time now si Pesarillo. Dalawang para kay Mr. Mercader. Bulawan, Bongolo ang Pesarillo. Timbak, malakas. Ayun na, Pesarillo. Pairan, Pesarillo. Lost the ball. Rising Knights ball. 5 minutes remaining. Rising Knights ball. Stepping violation. Kalagad. Balik po muli sa itimang bola. Janus Gabibol muli po tayo. Pesarillo, Bereros, and to RD1. Pasok ang bola. Suwak ang bola. RD1. Bulawan, Pahardo. 2 points Pahardo. Nice shot by Pahardo, driving around. Okay, Pesarillo. RD1. Bam. No, Pesarillo naman. Short stop, 2 points. D-Mac. Nope. Okay, Bereros. Pesarillo, 2 points, Pesarillo. Saan yung bagong restaurant? Misa, Sandra. Saan yung bagong restaurant ninyo? Gupa, no good. Saan yung restaurant nyo? Saan banda? Ipinta sa may Medina Khalifa North. Saan yun? Saan banda? South ba yun? Two points. Paano? Bayran. 3 points. RD1, 3 points. Wala na. Pagod na rin siya. Foul. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo yun. Okay, ang laman po ng Giannis Gumi is umalago po lalo. Ah, yes. Okay, shoutout po tayo kay Miss NNC na Nina Flores. Nanonood po siya ngayon. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. White ball. 61-85. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 61-85. Ay! Same ball. Same ball po tayo. No! Wala pa rin. RD1. Pesarillo, 2 points. Ay, the sky play made, di Pesarillo. Paha, Dimak, Mako, nilaulog ang bola, Pahardo, malakas ang tira. Pesarillo, nope, dito si Bulawan, nakaripon pa rin. Okay, safety na lang po tayo. 2 minutes remaining. Bongolo for 3. No. Okay, black ball. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Rosario. Gagarin to D1, RD1. Pahardo. Foul. Called on Gagarin, number 9.
Warning for one. Warning for penalty. Jumps. Warning ball,
Pardo. Bulawan driving. Ayun. Nice one by Chris Gray. Chris Gray, 2 points. 24-point lead. Pahardo, 26-point lead again. 2 points, Bulawan. Driving in. Okay, Chris Gray to Bulawan. Chris Gray, no, it's Chris Gray po. Chris Gray, 2 points. Okay, that's it. I think so. 59 seconds remaining. Rosario, 3 points. Bongolo. Dimak. Wala. Okay, Dimak. Pagod na. Napagod talaga. Okay. Rosario again. Bulawan. Okay, I think that's it. That's it. I think that's kung nag-concede na po ang Rising Knights. Congratulations for winning the game. Giannis Gumitio, final score 65-92. Giannis Gumitio. And winning po, maraming salamat po sa pagsami po sa amin. And see po next week po, next basketball action sa Tuesday night. Basketball night live in the Phoenix City National Doha. This is your best BQ Basketball League. Again, Any team want to join our league, just visit the FB page for details. This is your PSBQ Basketball League now signing off. Thank you po. God bless po sa inyo.